treetops beamed. Bibi bounced and gave a cheer. I found a slide, it's over here.
Koko peeked and held on tight.
It looks too tall, I'm not sure quite. Bibi zoomed with the giggle loud. Like a leaf she flew light as a cloud.
Koko blinked and leaned to see. I wanna slide, will it like me? Step by step he scooted slow. A rainbow bug said go, Koko, go.
Whee, when he went
With furry grace, leaves flew past his happy face. Bibi hugged him big and round. You were so brave, with joy they bounced. Under shade they munched a snack.
let's slide again.
Said Koko back.
Thank you for watching Baby Bop TV.
Please subscribe.